Oh my gosh. I love it. Welcome back to another part of my moving series. I'm so excited. I took a little bit of a break from my moving series for a few months with Christmas and everything like that, but we're finally back with one of the last things I need to do before actually doing a full apartment tour from moving from New Jersey to Florida. And in today's video, we are building my dream vanity. Ever since I was growing up, I always dreamed about having a vanity with lights on it, and specifically lights that I can change. And I am so excited because I finally found one. Everything I have in this video will be linked down below and on my Shop My, because I think I found the perfect vanity and the perfect space for it. I've been on the search for the perfect place to put a vanity in my apartment, and I think I finally found one. Me and my boyfriend had to move some stuff around, but I think it works perfectly, and it gives a really nice extra light to the apartment, especially at night, which I personally really like. So a couple days ago, my boyfriend built me my vanity, and it looks amazing. I barely helped him. I was just handing him pieces, but he built the whole entire thing, and I'm very, very grateful for it. I think it looks amazing. So I'm going to insert those clips now. This is where the vanity is going to go. It's a corner vanity, so I think it'll look good right here. So this is what the vanity looks like. I am really excited in particular for these drawers because they're really deep and I want to do all organization in them. So I have one of those and then one of these as well. And then I also have some storage up here, which I think I can really accessorize and make the use of. I also have little storage here and also storage here. And then I also love this part of the vanity. So there's plugs here for like hair tools. And then this is the part I really like. If I click right here, it changes the setting of the lights, which I think is really cool. If I do it again, it's the same thing. And personally, I just really like the way that looks because there's all different types of light settings that I can use. It's also a really good ring light. And then there's also a little light feature down here. The doors slide open and the cabinets light up, which I think is amazing. The only thing I don't love about this vanity is the chair. The chair is very, very hard, but it'll do for now. And then we have another sliding door over here with all shelves as well, which I'm really excited about. For all the accessories I got for my vanity, the first thing I got from Amazon is this little jewelry tray. I think it's going to be really cute. I want to use it somehow. I don't know if I want to put perfume on it or like lip gloss, but I think it'll be cute. Next thing, I always like to have a candle near my vanity, so I got this Moonlight White Barn French Vanilla Pear Blossom and Golden Vanilla candle from Bath & Body Works, and it smells really good. Then this actually came with the vanity, but it's a little vanity clear holder, which I'm really happy about. And then I also got for organization from Amazon these clear ones as well, because I feel like that's just the perfect way to organize everything. And then I also got this brush holder from Amazon as well. And then the rest of the stuff is just like makeup, hair products. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe down the vanity and clean it, and then we are going to actually start decorating it, and I'm so excited. Now that that's all clean, I am going to start putting all of my little containers for organization in the drawers and seeing how I want them organized. And then I'm going to put my makeup and my skincare in them. I'm planning to do one drawer with skincare and one drawer with makeup, but we have to see how everything fits because I do have more makeup than I do skincare, which is probably a problem because I should probably take better care of my skin, but I'm definitely doing a better job than I used to. So let's start with putting everything in the drawers and seeing how it looks organization wise, and then we'll move on to actually organizing the makeup by product. I just put all of the little containers in the drawers, and now I have my makeup. I've been storing it in this, which honestly is just not working because I can't find anything easily. So I have this for my makeup, I have some makeup on the floor, and then I have most of my skincare in here. So now we're going to organize it, and I'm going to try my best to do it by drawer. what the drawers are looking like so far. I don't know if they're going to completely stay like this, but like I said, I do have more makeup than I do skincare, so I just did makeup in this drawer. I'll do a full in-depth tour later, and then I have my lip products and then my skincare, but like I said, some of this might change. And then I do have this, which came with the vanity, which I think I want to put right here, so I'm going to work with this now and do the top of the vanity with some more skincare, some hair products, and maybe some perfume. I think my goal for my vanity, especially the top part of my vanity, is to have everything very easily accessible, like the stuff that I use every single day without a doubt. So I think that's what I'm going to use this little thing for, and also my brush holder for, and then some of my perfumes I'll have on display that I use every day. And then the things that I use but not as often, I'll probably store in my little cabinets on the side. So I think that's what I'm going to do. So far, I think everything's working out really nice. I wish the drawers were a little bit bigger just so I can nicely have each product next to each other, but it's really not that big of a deal. I think it still looks good. This is what the top is looking like so far. I think it looks really pretty and I'm really happy with it. Now I'm going to work on the tops of these cabinets on both sides, and then we're going to go on to the actual cabinets. I have this jewelry box from Target, which I absolutely love. I think it would be really nice to have on one of the cabinets. I always wanted to have my jewelry out by my vanity so it's easier to get ready, and I love how this one opens like little French doors, and then it also has drawers on the bottom as well, and it has a little thing for necklaces. So I think this would be a nice place to put my jewelry on my vanity. And then I also have my candle, which I obviously want away from my products, but I still want it on my vanity. So I think I'm going to put that on this one back here. Some of the other shelving stuff that I ordered did come in, so we are going to go get that in a little bit. But for now, I'm going to put this on my cabinets and put all the jewelry inside, and then we'll go to the mailroom because it's not a part of my actual apartment building.
Get to know me. I bet I'm stuck inside your mind.
Now that I added my jewelry stand and my candle back here, I am going to work on the sliding doors. I think for the sliding doors, I'm just going to put my extra products, my hair care, my extra skincare, and stuff like that, but I'm going to try to make it look really cute and organized.
Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go.
Doing all of the finishing touches, an exception to going to the mailroom and getting the rest of the stuff I ordered. So I ordered this little brush holder, so my brushes go in here, and then I have poly bands that could go in here and hair clips, and then I ordered these, which is to hold scrunchies. So I'm going to go through all of my scrunchies and all of my hair stuff and put all of those in here and see where I want to put them. Took about 3 hours, but I just finished doing everything, and I think it's time to do a tour now. vanity looks like as a whole in the corner of my room. I think it looks so pretty and I'm so happy with it. I'm going to just start on the left side of the vanity over here, and then we'll work our way over because I'm so excited. Starting off on top of the vanity, I just decided to put my makeup case. I use this a lot, especially when I travel, and I think it's very aesthetic and vintage, which I love. Then moving over to the left side of the vanity, I have my scrunchies back here. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this here, but I do think it's cute and I do like it. Then I have my little brush organizer. I have my brush from, I don't know how to pronounce the name, but I'll have it on the screen. My brush from, and then my MEJ brush. And then something I really like about this, which is from Amazon, is this little compartment. So this is where I put all my poly bands, and then I have all of my bobby pins in this one. And I got the poly bands and the bobby pins from Target. Then next to that, I have this little cloud tray. This cloud tray is from Amazon. I have my little Sam bracelet, which is from, I'll have the name of it on the screen. I have my Rode Peptide lip tint, and then my MEJ clips. These MEJ clips are so good. They are amazing for getting ready with. Then moving up to this shelf over here, I just have some of my hair products. So I have my Living Proof Perfect Hair Day. I have my Amika Frizz, my big hairspray, and my IGK Slick Back Stick. This stuff is amazing. Then moving over here, so I really like this because I put a lot of the products that I use all the time out. So I have my Olaplex oil, I have my Jizu hair perfume, and then I have my Dermatology eye mask. These are really good. I love them so much. They're so refreshing, especially when you're laying down so they don't slide off your face. So nice. Then moving over to this compartment. This compartment's from Wayfair. It came with my vanity, which is from Wayfair. And I have all of my skincare, hair care, and lip products in it. So I have my Tower 28 spray. I have my MEJ hair mist. I have my hair perfume from this brand. I don't know how to pronounce it, so I don't want to say it wrong. And then I have my Pacifica Beauty glow pads. These are amazing. Then over here, I just have a lot of different products. I have my Miracle 10 leave-in conditioner. I have my Day hair mist. I have my Rode Peptide. I have a lot of Tarte Juicy Lip because I love them. I have Summer Fridays lip liner, Tarte lip liner, my Aquaphor, my Rare Beauty cream, and my Burberry cream, which my boyfriend got me. Then moving over here, I have my perfume stand, which I actually got a while ago, but it's from Amazon. I really like it, and I put the bottom of the shelf underneath because it didn't fit, and I used the top of the vanity as part of the shelf. So I have all of my different perfumes. I'm not going to go through all of them, but these are the ones I use the most. In particular, I love the Skylar one, and I love the Rare Beauty Mist as like an everyday perfume. Then moving on, I have this really cute jewelry tray from Anthropologie, and I really love it because of the S in it. I think it just adds a pop of color, and I'm obsessed with it. Then I have all of my brushes. In particular, this one right here from Say is my favorite brush of all time. It's so good and really durable. And then the container itself is from Amazon. And then moving over here, I have my jewelry stand, which is from Target, and I love this one because when you open it, it has French doors. Personally, I think that's so cute and vintage. I have my necklaces, my rings, some bracelets, and some more earrings, and then I have more rings down here. I think it just adds a cute little touch to the vanity, and I really like the way it looks. Moving into the drawer, I really like the way the drawers came out. So starting off, I have all of my foundations and eyebrow stuff in this one. The drawers are not that big, so I did have to combine some stuff, but it's really fine. In this compartment, I have all of my eyeshadow. So I have Rem Beauty, I have the Urban Decay mini palette, I have the Too Faced palette. Then in this one, I have a lot of mascara from Benefit, Rare Beauty. I have my Rare Beauty contour, my e.l.f. eyeliner, and the Armani mascara. Then moving over here, I have my highlight. So I have this one, which is from Kylie Cosmetics, and then I have my Benefit highlighter in the shade Cookie, which I love. And then I have all of my blushes. I have one from Merit Beauty, Rode, Rare Beauty, Benefit, and Neutrogena. And then in this drawer, other than these two compartments, more skincare based. So I have all of my different lip products. I have one from Merit, I have YSL, I have my tweezers right here. I have Rem Beauty, Beauty Bio, and Vaseline. And then over here, I have my Too Faced Kissing Jelly, best thing ever. More Tarte Juicy Lip, and then the Jizu lip oil, and then of course my little beauty blender. Then over here, I just have some more of like blending products. And then the rest of these compartments are more skincare. So I have the Tatcha Dewy Skin, Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, the Refi Primer Stick, which I love, and the e.l.f. setting spray. And then in this compartment, I have some more hydration mist from Summer Fridays, a lot of stuff from Glow Recipe. I have Bubble Cloud Surf Moisturizer, Summer Fridays eye patches, and the Neutrogena Hydro Boost, which is amazing. Moving on to the compartments down here, which is under my jewelry stand. So like I said, the drawer slides open, which I think is really cute, and it lights up. This is more of my skincare section, so this is everything extra. So I have some Beauty Bio stuff back there, some nose strips. I have makeup remover, some sunscreen, and then more Beauty Bio products products back there. Then moving down here, I just have extra perfume and some extra brushes and tanning lotion. And then moving down here, I have makeup pads to take my makeup off. And then I just have some more Beauty Bio eye patches, which I honestly really love these. I just have a lot of eye patches right now, so I stored the extras here. And then in this one over here, I have more of my hair products. So I have some hair ties, I have some hair clips for when I'm doing my makeup, and then I have my MEJ clips back here. And then I just have a lot of hair products back there, which I use, but I just thought it would be better to put them on display back there. Then moving down here, I have a lot of clips, some headbands, and then more products in the back. And then lastly, I just have some more frizz spray. This is the overall vanity. I'm honestly obsessed with it. I think it turned out so cute and I'm so happy. I honestly love how my vanity turned out. I think it's so stinking cute and it's the dream vanity I've always wanted. If you guys stayed up until this point, thank you so much. Comment this emoji down below, and I think that's going to be it for this video. Bye.